Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not. So today's video is going to be all about moisturizers, its benefit, and I'm going to be reviewing Pond's Light Moisturizer for you folks. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video.
Hey, no, no, hey, no.
Before getting started with the video, let's quickly talk about what are moisturizers and what do I look for in a moisturizer. Now the main job of the moisturizer is to moisturize and hydrate your skin throughout the day, right? I have a normal to dry skin type, more dry than normal, so moisture and hydration is very important for me. I get dry patches very easily, especially during winters. So moisturizers are a very important part of my daily skincare routine. I personally don't look for skincare ingredients in my moisturizer because I do apply serums and oils and all of that stuff before I put on moisturizer. I have a very in-detailed video about my skincare routine. I'll link it for you guys if you're interested. But of course, if you want a lazy, simple routine, then moisturizers that have skincare ingredients are a great choice for you folks. Now Pond's Light Moisturizer has vitamin E and glycerin in it for soft and glowy skin. I checked the ingredients and it also has fruit extract, niacinamide, vitamin C and B3 in it, which are great skincare ingredients. Vitamin E nourishes and moisturizes your skin. It adds glow and makes your skin look super soft and healthy. It is also known to reduce hyperpigmentation and wrinkles on your face. Glycerin, on the other hand, is a humectant. It retains 100 times more moisture onto your skin, making it look super soft and plump. Niacinamide is a great anti-aging ingredient. It is also known to improve skin texture and it has so many other benefits to it. Talking about the packaging, it has a super simple plastic packaging. I really like the color. Teal is one of my favorite colors. So nice, simple, compact, amazing for traveling as well. And the thing I love the most that it's super affordable and easily available. This one retails for 299 rupees and you will get 250 ml of this product. But you will get it at a better price on Amazon, so definitely check out the deals on it. I'll link it in the description down below. They also have different size variants as well. Moving on to the texture of the product, as you can see, it has a creamy texture and when you apply it, it spreads very easily. I don't like moisturizers that are super heavy on my face and have that sticky, tacky feeling. This one, on the other hand, has a super lightweight and non-oily formula, so it absorbs really well into the skin. I don't feel the need to reapply it throughout the day, which I love because it does have 24-hour moisture lock technology. I would say this moisturizer is good for all skin type people, but especially great for normal to dry skin people, and you can apply it all year around, so great for all weathers. It does have paraben, mineral oil and fragrance in it, so if you have sensitive skin, definitely do a patch test before using it on your face. Now let's see the demo part. Just dot the cream across the face and massage it in nicely. As you can see, it absorbs very quickly. My skin feels moisturized and hydrated without feeling tacky and oily. I also like to apply it on my hand and feet to moisturize it. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Overall, I think this is a very good moisturizer at such affordable price and easily available. We'll get it at any drugstore or pharmacy and available on Amazon as well. Definitely will link it in the description down below. I would highly recommend it if you're looking for a good moisturizer at an affordable price. With that said, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And the comment shout out goes to Divyanshi Saryara. Divyanshi, thank you for your comment. It really means a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.